Chevrolet Cruze 2016 to 2019 1.4 engine. Replacing the manifold absolute pressure sensor is very easy. It is located near the throttle body on top rear of the intake manifold. Simply unplug the electrical connector, unscrew the single mounting bolt and pull the sensor straight out.